In these next few videos, we're going to be labeling the three different kinds of minor scales. I can't remember if I've actually told you before or not about the fact that there are three different kinds of minor scales, but we have all three of them right here. I'm going to start focusing this video on the first one that we have, which is what we included last week in our theory discussion. And this is the C natural minor scale. This is the note, or this is the scale that naturally comes about when we put C and minor. And you'll notice here we have E flats, A flats, and B flats in the natural minor scale. We have three flats in C minor. B, E, and A are all going to be flat. I'm going to start this by quickly labeling the steps that we have in the scale so we can see how it's put together. We know from the major scale that we just did, from C to D, that is a major second, capital M2. Let's look at the keyboard to go from D to E flat. We go D to E flat there. We're not skipping any notes in between, which means this is a minor second or a half step. From E flat to F, we see we are skipping exactly one white key. E flat to F is a major second. From F to G, we established in the major scale that that is also a major second. Now from G to A flat, we go G up to A flat. Well, there's nothing in the middle to skip. That is another minor second. Now from A flat to B flat, we have two black keys in a row, and we are skipping exactly one white key in between. A flat to B flat is another major second. And finally, from B flat to C, we can see we're going black key to white key, but there is a white key that we're skipping. That is, once again, a major second. So that is the order of steps in the natural minor scale. So anytime we have a natural minor scale, we know that we'll have major second, major, major, minor, major, major to get from low C to high C, or whatever the first note would be. We could be going from G to G. In this case, it's C to C. Next, what I want to do is we're going to label what each one of these notes is from our first note, C. We established in the major scale, and again in this video, that C to D is a major second. Now C to E flat, we have C, 2, 3, and that's a small step right at the end, so C to E flat is a minor third. C to F, just like in the major scale, that's going to be a perfect fourth. C to G, just like in the major scale, will be a perfect fifth. Now C to A flat, if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a whole step at the end, C to A natural is a major sixth, but from C to A flat, there's just that tiny little step at the end. That is going to be a minor sixth, a lowercase m with a 6. And in similar fashion, if we go C to B natural, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with a whole step at the end, that's going to be a major seventh, but in this case, we're taking a small step at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minor seventh is going to be that B flat. And once again, the octave, the C above the C, is a perfect eighth.